Hello everyone, welcome back to the Apple Connect, and in this video I'm going to talk about how to take screenshot on your iPhone without any buttons. So let's get started. The first one, we have to use the assistive touch. For this one, what we need to do is we just need to go over here in the settings first, and now from here we need to scroll down and we have to navigate to the accessibility. Now from here we have to navigate to the touch. Now from here, as you can see, the assistive touch is actually turned off. We have to turn this on. We have to turn this off. And right now, as you can see, you'll be getting a bubble like this. Okay, so if you go back to the home screen, you can see there is a bubble like this. So you can keep moving anywhere over and here and there. So let me go back. We still need to make some changes. So if you go to the bubble over here, you can see we have many options like that. So just go over here under the customize top level menu. There is an option called single tap. So we just need to tap on this one. And from here, we have to keep scrolling down and we have to navigate to screenshot. Keep this on screenshot. As you can see, I have set this to the screenshot. Now we just need to go back. So right now from here, anywhere if you are there, if you want to take any kind of screenshot, all you need to do is you just need to use your finger and press over here like this. So right now, as you can see, the screenshot is successfully taken, and this is what you have to do. So just do like this once again so that the screenshot will be taken. So this is the first and easiest foremost step which can be done. The next one is most familiar one, which is all about calling the Siri and asking for the help. So let me do this. Hey Siri, please take screenshot. So right now you can see using the Siri also you can take the screenshot, and these two steps are widely used and common one in order to do this up. You can take this up, and this is what you have to do when it comes to how to take screenshot on your iPhone without using any kind of button. And I hope this video is helpful, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notification. See you soon in the next video. Peace out. Bye bye.